How to change the video thumbnail from your Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, if you want to change the video thumbnail of your YouTube channel or any video, then this video is for you. So in this tutorial we are using an Android device to demonstrate, but the steps are almost identical for an iOS device as well. So to do this, you need to download the YouTube Studio application. If you don't have the YouTube Studio application, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store. Then once you have downloaded your YouTube Studio application, you need to open it and this interface will pop up. Now we need to find that particular video for which we will be changing or updating the thumbnail. So to do this, click onto the content tab at the bottom left corner. Now once inside the content tab, you need to click onto this view all button just besides the video option. This will list out all of the videos that you have published in your channel so far. So now let's find that particular video for which we are about to change its thumbnail. So for example, let's say this particular video right here, and I want to change its thumbnail. So to do this, simply click onto this video and this type of interface will open up. Now here you can see at the very top this particular pencil icon. So click onto this pencil icon and it will open the edit section. Now here we can edit a lot of things for this specific video, like the description, visibility, audience, etc. Now we need to focus on the thumbnail. On the video thumbnail you can see this pencil icon. Click onto this pencil icon and here you can see that first it is giving me the options to choose from automatically generated thumbnails. So if you want an automatic generated thumbnails, then you can choose it by simply clicking over to that thumbnail and then clicking over to the done button. But if you want to provide it a custom thumbnail and you have stored it in your mobile device, then what you need to do is click onto this default template only and then it will give you an option of change. So click onto this change button and it will open up your device gallery. Now simply choose that particular picture that you want to set as thumbnail. So for example, let's say this picture right here. So simply click on it and here you can see that it is being previewed over as a thumbnail. So you can adjust it a little if you want, or you can zoom in and out if you wish to do that. And then once you are satisfied with the changes, you need to click onto this done button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you will do this, simply press the save button again and it will save the video with this particular thumbnail. So that's how easy it is to change the thumbnail of any YouTube video that you have uploaded. So if this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Don't forget to comment on this video and tell us how it went for you. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on important updates. So thank you once again and have a nice day.